Unique in palaeontology, liquid blood found inside a prehistoric 42,000-year-old foal.
Here's a summary of the article.
Dr. Grigoriev revealed in an interview with TASS that the foal is in an exceptional condition without any visible damage. A lot of mud and silt which the foal gulped during the last seconds of its life were found inside its gastrointestinal tract. Video from inside the Badagai Depression where the foal was found, and the foal in the lab in Yakutsk. Mitchell Yakovlev, editor of the university's corporate media, said, "Hopefully, the world will soon meet the clone of the ancient foal who lived 42,000 years ago." The foal was found in the Badagai Depression in Yakutia. The international team of scientists working in the laboratory of Northeastern Federal University, the foal held by Semen Grigoriev after it was found, the Badagai Depression. The unique foal will become one of the key exhibits of the Mammoth exhibition in Japan, starting in June this year and finishing in September 2020.
This post received a score of 25,905, with an upvote ratio of 97%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Greater than, we can now claim that this is the best preserved Ice Age animal ever found in the world. Pretty amazing. I'm hoping they find a mammoth this preserved soon. I really want to see mammoths make a comeback.
Read the article. This is the same team that has mammoth blood. They found the mammoth forever ago, and have been looking for ways to clone it for years. Was all over the news, I thought.
I was under the impression that the sample they had was degraded due to DNA having a half-life of only 500 years.
Exactly. Just because they have liquid blood doesn't mean the cells or the DNA are even close to salvageable. It's the equivalent of rehydrating Neanderthal testicles and hoping to get usable sperm. It's all destroyed.
It might be salvageable. Paleontologists have been extracting readable DNA from fossils for about 10 years. So far they have about 3 billion out of 6 billion base pairs from a Neanderthal specimen. IIRC the fossils were about 50,000 years old. So similar to this find. The Neanderthal DNA is highly fragmented, fingers crossed this new find is in even better condition. Ninja edit.
But salvageable in the sense of being able to read the DNA doesn't mean it's anywhere near viable for cloning. Just because we can read the sequence doesn't mean we can use the DNA for anything other than sequencing. At least not yet. With current technology, we need intact whole DNA to implant in a nucleus in order to make a clone. In order to actually grow anything from just the data alone, we'd need technology to advance to the point of being able to create synthetic strands of DNA in whatever sequence we want. Edit. Apparently we are closer to this reality than I thought.
Just patch the gaps with frog DNA. What's the worst that could happen?
They could turn friggin' gay.
It's definitely worth clicking on the link and looking at the pictures of this rare find. To call this foal well-preserved is a huge understatement, and it's amazing that it was kept in such shape for 42,000 years. Edit. Some of the pics are also here and here.
The picture of where they found it looks otherworldly.
Yeah, that place is nuts. You have Earth on the bottom, with what looks like 50 meters of ice on top, with a layer of dirt on top of that and what looks like full-grown trees. So many layers.
Like an ogre.
Like an onion.
Like parfait. Cake.
Donkey.
Scientists have already indicated that they are confident of success in extracting cells from this foal in order to clone its species, the extinct Lenskaya breed, back to life, as previously reported by the Siberian Times. Work is so advanced that the team is reportedly choosing a mother for the historic role of giving birth to the comeback species. Mitchell Yakovlev, editor of the university's corporate media, said, "Hopefully, the world will soon meet the clone of the ancient foal who lived 42,000 years ago. Holy crap, they're moving fast on this one."
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.